Hello everyone, welcome to Cukmekerb's coding class. So let's say you have this page and you want to make your fonts dynamically adjust because, some screens are really small, so on those screens you want your fonts to be small, and some screens are really big, and so you want your fonts to be really big. Of course, you could just make this font size be based on percentage, but then it would be too big or too small if the screen size was really big or really small. So today I'm going to show you how you can make your fonts dynamically adjust based on the width. So as you can see, this font will shrink until it gets to a certain point, beyond which it will not shrink, it'll just stay the same size. And it will also grow. If I just make this window really big, you'll see it does not get any bigger past a certain point. And you can adjust these values to be whatever you want. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's do it. So over here, I got the code to this page right here. And this page just says hello world. If we go to the browser, it says hello world on it. If we resize the window, you will see the font does not change in size. Obviously, we don't want that. So let's make some CSS. We'll do H1 font size. And then, how about 3 VW? And what this will do is 1 VW is 1% of the window's width. So you'll see here that this font is going to be 3%. The height of the font is going to be 3% the width of this window. But if we shrink it to be really small or grow it to be really big, this is just not looking right. Luckily, CSS has a function built in called clamp that is supported on a decent amount of browsers, where you set your minimum value first. So let's say we want the font to be no smaller than 20 pixels. Then here you put the middle value, that is what you want the font size to be if it is not greater than the maximum or less than the minimum. And then let's say 50 pixels, no bigger than 50 pixels. And now you'll see the font is not getting any smaller. And if I open up the console here to try and make the window even smaller, the font remains unchanging in size until that value is above 20 pixels. And if I make it really big and I keep widening this window, you'll see the font growing, and then it stops at 50 pixels, and it will not get any bigger than that. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember that it is about drive. It is about power. We stay hungry. We devour.